The year ahead promises valuable new growth paths for the renewable energy industry as concern for climate change grows. Rapid improvements in technology and falling costs of renewable energy resources have made renewables one of the most competitive energy sources. With new projects receiving more funding than ever before, renewable energy is one of the world's fastest-growing industries. These are 5 of the biggest renewable energy projects in the world. Huanghe Hydropower, Hainan Solar Park, China. China is the world leader when it comes to solar capacity, so it is fitting that the country is also home to the world's largest solar park. Huanghe Hydropower Hainan Solar Park, also known as the Golmud Solar Park, is a 2.3 gigawatt solar project in the arid climate region of Qinghai Province. Huanghe is state-owned by Huanghe Hydropower Development, and the project is aiming to reach a maximum solar capacity of 16 gigawatts over the next few years. So far, more than $2.2 billion have been invested into the solar park, which was officially connected to the grid in 2020. Sweihan Photovoltaic Independent Power Project, UAE. The Sweihan Photovoltaic Independent Power Project is located in Sweihan, Abu Dhabi, and covers an area of 7.8 square kilometers. The solar plant was developed by a joint venture of Marubeni Corporation, Junko Solar, and the Abu Dhabi Water and Electricity Authority, with a total investment of $870 million. The project uses an innovative module layout design, high-efficiency monocrystalline solar modules, and advanced project maintenance to ensure that the cost of power generation remains low. Commercial operations at the plant began in April 2019, and the latest figures show that it supplies power to more than 195,000 homes in the region. Enel Villanueva Photovoltaic Plant, Mexico. Enel Villanueva PV plant is located in the Mexican state of Coahuila. The PV facility is made up of more than 2.5 million solar panels spread out across 2,400 hectares in the Mexican semi-arid region. The 828 megawatt plant became fully operational in September 2018 and has a maximum production capacity of more than 2,000 gigawatt hours per year. Enel Group invested more than $700 million into the construction of the plant and deployed a unique pilot program using digital technologies and automation for the plant's construction. This included the use of GPS-controlled machines for moving earth, drones for 3D topography, and robots for panel installation. Gansu Wind Farm, China. Gansu Wind Farm, also known as the Jiuquan Wind Power Base, is in the west of China's Gansu province on the outskirts of the Gobi Desert. It has a planned capacity of 20 gigawatts, making it one of the world's largest, if not the largest, wind farm. Gansu project is worth an estimated $17.5 billion and comes as part of the Chinese government's plan to invest $360 billion into renewable energy sources. Phase 1 of the project was completed in 2010 with 3,500 turbines installed. When the construction of the farm is complete, it'll include more than 7,000 wind turbines and in theory produce enough energy to power a small country. At the time of this video, the farm has just under 8,000 megawatts or 8 gigawatts of installed capacity. Alta Wind Energy Center, United States. The Alta Wind Energy Center, also known as the Mojave Wind Farm, is located in the Tehachapi Pass of the Tehachapi Mountains in Kern County, California. With an installed capacity of 1,550 megawatts, it is the largest wind farm in the United States, and there are plans to increase this capacity to 3,000 megawatts in the future. The Mojave Wind Farm was originally developed by TerraGen Power, and construction began in July 2010 and wrapped up in 2013. The project initially aimed to reduce carbon dioxide emissions by over 5.2 million metric tons and generate power for 275,000 residences in California. Today, it supplies around 1,500 megawatts to Southern California Edison, the primary electricity supplier for most of Southern California. Bonus: Hornsea 1, United Kingdom. Hornsea 1 is the world's largest and most famous offshore wind farm located off the Yorkshire coast with a total capacity of 1.2 gigawatts. It was the world's first offshore wind farm to surpass 1 gigawatt in installed capacity. The wind farm covers 407 square kilometers and is made up of 174 Siemens turbines with a capacity of 7 megawatts each. Hornsea 1 officially became operational in early 2020 and produces enough energy to power more than 1 million UK homes. The project is owned 50-50 by Ørsted and Global Infrastructure Partners, or GIP, and as part of an $8.7 billion investment to transform the Humber region into a renewable energy hub. These are the biggest renewable energy projects in the world. Like and share the video with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications.